Hey, what's going on? So I know a lot of people are looking for a way to make some money online. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to earn an extra income from home. So this method, you can make $50, you can make $100, even up to $500 just by applying what I'm going to share with you. So watch this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip ahead because if you skip it, you're going to miss out exactly what you need to do. So all these tools that I'm going to share with you is going to be free, so you don't need any money to do this startup. So that's a good thing about it, because I know there's a lot of people want to find a way how to make some extra income, extra cash working from home without no investment whatsoever. So we're going to dive into the video right now and let's get started. Let's do this. If this is your first time to the YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and of course, multiple different ways of putting some money in your pocket. So, if this is your first time, make sure you give this video some love by liking it. You could share with other people, because the more people that sees this video, the better it's going to be, and of course, it's going to perform. So that way, it can spread and more people can see this over and over again. So we're going to dive into the video. I don't want to take up too much of your time on this, because this one is going to be, very fun, and it's going to be awesome. So let's dive into it. Now, the first place we want to go over to this website. This website is called JVZoo. And JVZooMarket.com, or you could go to JVZoo. It's a website that has various multiple different affiliate products. Now, on here, don't worry about it. I'm not going to tell you to go chase friends or family to sign people up, and I'm not telling you to go and message people and say, hey, you want to sign up? Nothing like that. I'm going to show you how you can automatically set it up where you're going to make money over and over again. The only way, unless you destroy it, and I'm sure you're not going to do that once you're making money from it. So they have various products. They have e-com, there's business, there's health and fitness, there's self-improvement, there's softwares, lots of different tools. You could sign up for this. It is free. You don't need any money for you to sign up. So once you sign up, all you have to do is just head on over to you just go here where it says products, click on top sellers, because you want to find something that is already selling. You don't want to try to find things that are not selling, because the things that aren't moving, it's going to be very difficult with the method I'm going to share with you. So over here it says top sellers for today. There's top sellers for yesterday. There's top sellers for 7 days ago, 30 days ago. And what I always do, I always look over the entire 30 days, then I look over 7 days and see what, if there's a trend going on. Does the thing that was there 30 days ago, is it still selling? Or, people are just not really promoting it as much, because whenever these products are launched, you have top affiliates, people that are making hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars online, and they promote it to a bunch of different people. And once people start to seeing it, guess what they're going to do? They're going to go to Google and they're going to go on YouTube. So if you look right here, you see this product is over 30 days. This, I look for the top three or the top five. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if they're in, if any one of these products are in the 7 days. So, yep, VA agency is not there. VA agency was somewhere down here. It was on 6th. My traffic, that is not there, that is not there, that is not there. So the products that were here in the top 30 days are not here in the top. They're not even in the top 5. That's weird. So then you look over for yesterday. Okay, so this is selling. This is doing good. This is going good. That's doing good. Right? Okay, so we check it out. We make sure. So this is here in the 7 days, and it's there again 7 days, and it's there again today. So Progressive Web Apps Agency by MobiFirst. Now I don't know what this is, so what you gonna do? You can click on it and go take a look, see what their page look like, watch the video, go through it, see if it's something that you want to buy, see if it's something that you would love to promote. and you want to send people to, for people to do business with this particular company. So scroll through, see if it's worth it, see if it's good. There's a 30-day money back guarantee, so that is good. I know this guy has been making products over and over again. His name is Todd. Always, he's always online. So he is, I've never done business with him, but I've always seen him online. So you can check him out. Let's see, you look over here, and that's good. So what you want to do is you find the product, find what you want to promote. And when you find that product, you want to head over to this particular website. And this website is called Kladio.com. So Kladio is a video maker. So you can come over here, you can sign up, you can sign in. There's some free ones, and of course, there's some paid ones. So you can create a video using other videos, you can use pictures and whatnot. So for example, we're going to be using a particular product. So let's say we're going to go with VR agency. We can go with that. We can go with mytrafficjacker.com. And you can look at this. Could be that. It could be video dashboard commercial, because people probably are looking for a commercial, dashboard stuff. So you could go on here and read up about it. So you could read it, watch the videos, and then you can now create other videos around that. So you can upload files, and where if you can't find pictures, you can always go to pexels.com. So you can go to Pexels, and if I type in computer videos, I type in computer videos, it's kind of loading, not sure why this is taking forever. So computer video, there we go, computer video. All right, nice. So this is a picture. So these are pictures, and then if you click on where it says video, look at that. So you can insert these videos inside the Kladio. So for this one, I'm gonna click on it. It is free. I go like that. You can give a little heart if you want. You can also donate to these people, because when you donate, so I go like this, I can go with original full HD, and go with full HD, download it, allow. So it's gonna be downloaded. So I'm gonna take this video, I'm gonna go over here, rip it off real quick, and then I'm gonna upload this video right here. So I'm gonna upload it. So once it's loaded, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna head on over to YouTube. So we're gonna go to YouTube, and then we're going to upload the video here on YouTube. So you click on right here, upload. Still loading. All right, there we go. So you click on it. So these videos, they have no sound, so you can put sound on here if you want to, but of course, you're gonna wanna do voiceover. So you could do voiceover, and you can voice over all these things. You can get a few different images, and you can create your video. So I'm gonna check out one of my friends' YouTube channel that is doing this right now. And all right, I'm gonna find that. I'm gonna find his YouTube channel. There we go. All right, and he's growing this channel like consistently. So he's monetizing it. And I know when he started, This man has absolutely zero knowledge when it comes to marketing online. And now he's just taking off like wildfire. And I'm so proud of him. I'm actually giving him a shout out on this. So if you look at his YouTube channel, this is it. And if you look at it, he is making these videos and he's putting these things on. All right. The only thing he's not doing right now, he's not putting any affiliate links in his description. That's the only thing. So I don't know if he's growing this right now. All right. I'm going to give him some love. Great video, bro. Right. So he's using all these videos. He is not creating these videos. He's getting a ton of likes. And what he's doing locations. So when you do locations just like that, people in these areas are going to see these videos. Well, he put that video right there, which is good. And I would recommend him put it up the top up here. Right? It's just a preference. But you get the idea. He's making these videos. Okay, here's a good representation. Right? So he makes these videos. I'm gonna turn up the volume.
As Kadaba over the phone. By September 1994, Bezos toyed with the name
Right, voiceovers. So I hope you do get the idea. It's great information, good stuff. And that's the same thing you're going to be doing with this. Let me close this out. It's the same thing you'll be doing when you make these videos. You can add more files, you can add text, you're gonna add audio, you're gonna add some videos, you could do crossovers, you could zoom, you could crop. And when you make these videos, then you upload them. So you're gonna upload them with the brand, upload them with that brand. So you're gonna put it right here. Upload the videos. Once you upload it, you wanna make sure you put some tags in it. You wanna find a good thumbnail. And once you find a good thumbnail, then when people start searching for the particular product, guess what? You're gonna get paid because they're gonna see it and then they're going to buy it. Right? So that's all you have to do is just upload them. Tons of people are gonna see them, and you just leave them there. And that's how people want to do business. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching it. This is another great video for you. And check out the next video how you can make an extra $100 at home. Peace.